Hello everyone, trust you're good. In this video, I will teach you how to use the augmented chord, the augmented triad. I will explain it and help you understand how to use the augmented triad in a song. Now, first of all, what is the augmented chord? The augmented chord is one of the triad. By triad, you know, I mean three noted chords. That's chords made of just three notes. Now, the augmented chord is a triad with an increased fifth. You understand? It's the major triad with the fifth note sharpened or increased. Now, on the key of C, for an example, this is the triad. Do, mi, so is a triad, is the major triad on C. So the augmented C augmented will now be do, mi. This so will increase it by a semitone. Do, mi, si. So this is the augmented triad. I believe you understand it. It is the major triad with the increased fifths. On C sharp, for an example, it is the major triad with the increased fifths. On D, major triad with the increased fifths. On E flat, major triad with the increased fifths. Now, having understood this, how can we use it? Personally, I did a video on To God Be the Glory where I used the augmented triad for a part in that song. I played it on G sharp. So we were doing. So I had to use the augmented C there because the melody was on C. So I needed to spice it up, and I was approaching F minor, which is the La of G sharp. So I had to use C augmented. You understand? So you can use it when the melody of a song is on a note. You can use it when the melody of a song is on a note. That is why you are called Jehovah. Now you see this Jehovah. Instead of just playing me, you can use G sharp augmented. So you understand? So So you can use it when the melody of the song falls on a note. Instead of just playing something major, you can use that augmented to spice up your chord. Another way you can use this augmented chord is when you're waiting. There's the melody of the song has repeated itself twice on the notes. So instead of just playing that same chord in that progression on the particular part of that song again, you use the augmented triad to replace it. Let me explain so that you can understand very well. A song like you're still on Do, you get it? So instead of waiting at Do, why don't we just use C augmented? Since we are doing, you see that? Instead of waiting to spice up our play so that it will not be boring, we do whoosh.